How's it going, YouTube? Sick Eric back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We are outside at the park and we're going to be unboxing the new Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. This is the new Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. I got it in the mint, cloud mint, and literally got delivered a couple hours ago. I pre-ordered from T-Mobile. They said it wouldn't get shipped until the 3rd. Well, today's the 30th and we have this phone now. Big shout out to Jake on over at T-Mobile for hooking this phone up. Really good deal on this. I'm very excited about this phone. It falls somewhere in between a Galaxy A71 5G and a Samsung Galaxy S20 as far as specs and things like that, and looks and design. But it's about the same size, a little bit in between a S20 and an S20 Plus. Very excited about this phone. Snapdragon 865, all the bells and whistles other than a premium design. So we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. I got it in the mint, cloud mint color, and I'm very excited. We're gonna do an unboxing, see what comes in the box, and show you guys some of the settings as far as storage and maybe a little camera walkthrough and things like that. So don't go anywhere, stick around. Go ahead and subscribe while you're here. Hit that little notification bell for future notifications on this channel, and just give me a thumbs up for being outside doing something different at the park. So let's go ahead and jump down into it, shall we? Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this and take a look at the actual device inside. So let's go ahead and crack it open, shall we? Little piece of tape right here, and you can see the box is really nice. A whole bunch of these different types of emojis and icons, I guess, from the camera, cats, smiley face. There's a whole bunch of different things on here. Really nice box. It's not black like the regular S20, but it still feels premium and it still feels like a Galaxy phone. Just taking a look at everything around the box. I did get the green version, which is the cloud mint, and here's some stuff on the back if you guys want to pause that, of what you get in the box. No headphones, unfortunately. Now this phone does have a 6.5 inch AMOLED display. It does have 120 Hertz refresh rate, so that's really nice. And here it is. To set that aside, Snapdragon 865 processor, stereo speakers, 6 GB of RAM. Get your SIM card and things like that. Have to use that. You get a fast charger in the box, although this is only, I believe, 15 or 18 watts, but it does support 25 watt charging. And then you also get your USB-A to USB Type-C cable. Like I said, no headphones. They also send you this cute little box. You can use that for something. No headphones in here, and that's pretty much it. Over here, underneath the box, you'll get this little piece of paper and your quick start guide and SIM ejection tool in there. So not much in the box. Still really excited about this phone. Let me know if you guys are. Did you order the S20 Fan Edition or not? So here it is in all its glory, the mint green. So let's go ahead and peel this off. So really nice. It feels good in the hand. The back is plastic, and it does feel like a thin plastic, but it does still feel good, and it looks good in the hand too. See if we can get some of the shine in there. So really nice color. The frame also has that greenish tint to it. So we'll go ahead and peel off this screen protector, since we do not need that, and we'll power it on and get it all set up, and then we'll be back to going through some settings and maybe do a little walkthrough of the camera. So don't go anywhere, guys, stay tuned. Alright, so we are back and we are in the phone right now. I don't know if you guys can see this since it's really bright out here. This is the brightest this display gets, and it is on adaptive brightness. I'm gonna try turning that off, turn it on, and let's see if we could, is there any sort of auto brightness on here? And you do get a 6.5 inch AMOLED display. It does have a smooth refresh rate of 120 Hertz or standard 60 Hertz. It comes with the 120 out of the box, so that's really nice. 1080p Full HD Plus display, so I'm not concerned about the display quality. As far as getting bright, it seems to be getting bright enough out here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the storage, see how much storage comes in here. Now this is the 128 gigabyte of storage phone. Let's go look over here, device care, go into storage. We have 103 gigabytes available, and let's see, 24.6 is being used out of the box, and that's not even installing any of my applications or anything, so that's really nice. So really excellent looking phone. We'll go ahead and do a walk around. So on the rear you get your camera set up. You get two 12 megapixel cameras, your main and your ultra wide, and an 8 megapixel telephoto with 3 times zoom. I think you could do up to 10 times digital zoom if I'm not mistaken. You get your flash. On the right hand side you do get your power button, volume rocker. On the bottom you get your USB type C, you get a microphone and one of your speakers. Left hand side you don't get anything. Over here on the top you get your micro SD card and SIM slots and another mic. On the back you just at the bottom, and that's pretty much it. So really excellent phone. The front you do get a 32 megapixel front facing camera, very small punch out right there, so really good. I've already set up my fingerprint, so it works really fast. It's not an ultrasonic fingerprint, it's going to be a regular optical fingerprint sensor, but apparently it's the same one OnePlus used in some of their devices, so it's really quick, and it should be a lot more quicker than it is your regular ultrasonic fingerprint sensors that are annoying on the S20, so that's definitely a plus. So let's go ahead and jump down into the camera, shall we? And let's go ahead and check that out. Looking for more modes. So when you first get into the photo section right here, you have the option to do a wide, your normal, and then you're zoomed in. So that's really nice. You can go all the way up to like 30 zoom if you wanted to. Now it is going to be all digital zooming, but you do have that option, which is really nice. And then you could jump on into ultra wide, which is nice too. I'm excited to test out these cameras and see what they are capable of. In your sections over here for more, you do get pro camera mode, and then you do get a pro video mode, panorama, food, night, live focus video, so that's really nice. It sort of blurs out the background when you're doing a video, super slow-mo, slow motion, and hyperlapse. So that's really cool. You get a lot of different options on here. Video side, you can record up to 4K 60 on the front and rear facing cameras, and you do get the single take mode, which will sort of take a certain video and cut it up into a whole bunch of different either GIFs or pictures or stuff like that. So really nice. You hit stop, and then you can go ahead and go check that out. Play video, allow, and there you go. So really nice. You can make some GIFs out of that if you want, different styles of it. So that's really cool. So I don't know if I mentioned earlier, like I said, Snapdragon 865 processor, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable via micro SD card slot, IP68 water and dust resistance, stereo speakers, Excellent cameras, 3 cameras on the back, 32 megapixel on the front. Really nice about this. No headphone jack, unfortunately, so they did not bring that on over from the A series. Stereo speakers, IP68 water and dust resistance. Really nice phone, and you got your smooth high refresh rate display at 120 hertz. It's not adaptive like it is on the Notes, so it is really smooth. I cannot wait to test that out on here. Excellent storage, everything that you'd get on an S20 with all the specs and the hot chip CPU. So very excited about the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE Fan Edition. With that being said, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for my channel for some more videos on the new Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there. Peace.